My name is Brad Knox, and I am Senior Vice President and Counsel for AFLAC Federal Relations. I'm also Chairman of the Board for Washington Heads of Office Leadership Council. One piece of advice that I would give someone who is looking to become a head of office is to first ask themselves why they want to be that. It's important to know what's your motivating factor. The requirement for that role is leadership, and underpinning leadership is service and taking care of people in a way that is effective for the organization. And there's lots of things that organizations, companies, trade associations, employers look for in leadership. And sometimes we don't know what that is. Those are blind spots for us. So it means talking to people who are in those positions and being open to the feedback of where you need to develop. And that's why we developed the Washington Heads of Office Leadership Council, the Leadership Boot Camp, so that those of us who are in this role can give back to those who aspire to be heads of office. And in that boot camp, we break down, here are the things that companies are looking for that role. Here are the areas that you need to develop so that you can be prepared. And then you have to be not only patient, but be willing to do the work to follow that path. And not everybody wants to do that once they recognize what the work is. So being honest with yourself is the first thing I would tell people to do. I see this organization in the next 5 years doing more of what it's done in the last 4 years. We now have 3 of our Leadership Bootcamp alumni who are now heads of office. We have now achieved our 501c3 status, so we'll financially be in a much better place 5 years from now. And also, we have several of our members who are on public boards. And I expect all of those numbers to grow exponentially over the next 5 years. So when we look back, we can look and see we had an impact on other people, that we've committed to building this mission and impacting their lives. So their future is set forward because of this organization. And that's what makes a difference. Thank you for joining us for this episode of Eyes on Who. We look forward to seeing you next time.